Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the cloud and cloud relations. Cloud computing provide us a means by which we can access the application as utilities over the internet. It all us to create. It allows us to create, configure, customize application online. With cloud computing, user can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of actual resources. What is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network of internet. In other words, we can say the cloud is something which is present at remote locations. Cloud can provide service over network, on public network, on a private network, WAN LAN, and VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management all run in cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulate, configures, and access the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and application. Cloud computing in both a combinations of software and hardware-based computing resource delivered as a network services. Cloud computing architects. Basic concept. There are certain service and model working behind the scenes making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end user. Following are the working model for cloud computing. Deployment model, service model. Deployment model. Deployment model define the type of access to the cloud, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four type of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Public clouds, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community clouds. Public clouds. The public clouds allow system and service to the easily accessible to generally public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Private cloud. The private clouds allow system and services to be accessible within an organization. It offers increasing security because of its private nature. Community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and service to be accessible by group of organization. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performing using the public cloud. Service model. Service model are the reference model on which the cloud computing is based. This can be categorized into three basic service models as listed below. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service. IaaS is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable service. IaaS provide access to fundamental resources such as physical machine, virtual storage, etc. Usually built based on uses, usually multi-tenants. Virtually environment can be compound with managed service for OS and application support. IaaS example: open source, entity communities, GRID, Terrymarks, AT&T. Platform as a service. PaaS provide the runtime environment for application development and deployment tools, etc. PaaS provide all of the facility required to support the complete life cycles of building and delivery web applications and service entity from the internet. Typically, application must be developed with a particular platform in mind. Multi-tenant environment, highly scalable multi-tenant environment. Past example: Amazon Azure, Salesforce, Joint, Rockspace, 3Tera. Software as a service. SaaS would allow to use software application as a service to an end user. SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and is functioned remotely as a web-based service. Usually built based on uses, usually multi-tenant environment, highly scalable environment. SaaS example: do you use the clouds? Advantage: lower computer cost, improve performance, reduce software cost, instant software update, improve document format compatibility, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability, user document access, latest versions availability, easier group collaboration, device independence. Disadvantage: require a constant internet connections, does not work well with low speed connections, feature might be limited, can be slow, storage data can be slow, lost storage data might not be secure. Cloud storage: create an account, username and password, content live with the account in the clouds, log onto any computer with Wi-Fi to find your content, download for storage, save the file to app. When connect to the internet, it will sync with the cloud. The cloud has the access from any internet connections. Thank you. And most important thing is that it's need research. So research actually help us to grow our economy in an effective way. Research can help us to identify our things in an effective way. And most important thing is that we have to understand how this kind of things actually helpful. So there is a specific research work I want to share with you. Technical aspect of cloud computing. This research actually, Ilan Sriram, Department of Computer Science, University of Bristol's, and what they think abstract. Cloud computing is the latest effort of delivering computing resource as a service. It represents a shift away from computing as a product that is purchased to computing as a service that is delivered to consumer over the internet from the large scale data contrast or the cloud. While cloud computing is a gaining growing popularity in the IT industry, academic appears to be lagged behind the rapid development in the field. The paper is the first systematic review of peer review academic research published in the field and aim to provide an overview of the shifted development advance in the internet foundations of the cloud computing and their research effort. Structured along the technical aspects of the cloud agenda, we discuss lessons from the related technology, advance in that introductions of the protocol interface and standard techniques for modeling and building cloud new use cases arising through cloud computing. These are the many effective research work we can do through this cloud computing, and this can help us to grow us in an effective way. If you have any kind of question regarding these things, you can communicate with me. Thank you.